Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We were discussing about Matplotlib package and in that we were discussing about histograms. And to create the histograms in Matplotlib, we can use the hist function of the pyplot module. And today in this tutorial, we'll see how to create the stacked histograms. So stacked is nothing but we are placing the bars one above the another. If I want to represent multiple set of data, then that time we can represent the bars one above the another. That will be called as stacked bar. We already discussed about stacked bar chart previously. So today here we'll discuss about stacked histograms. So here what I'll do is first I'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and here I'm using numpy as np, and here I'm using random.randn function. So here I'm taking 1000 values and here I'm taking values in each arrays as 3. It will create 1000 arrays with 3 values. For example, if I create np.random.randn, if I take 10 values of here I took 3, it will create the array like this. Here you can see the two-dimensional array. Here in the example we took 1000 values and it will create the 1000 arrays. Each array there will be 3 values. Next I am using hist function and here I am taking x value and I am taking 30. 30 is nothing but the bin's value, the interval, and here the x label and y label and title. So let's execute this, and here we can see it will present the data like this. Here the bars are placed one after the another. There are 3 colors, blue, orange and green, and here bars are placed one after the another. Now if I take here hist type as bar stacked, here you can see the output. It will stack the bars. It will place the bars one above the another. Or you can use, instead of this, you can use stacked as true. Then also we'll get the same output. Here you can see placing the bars one above the another. If you want stacked histograms, you can use stacked as true, or you can take the hist type as bar stacked. And next, so here I have another example. In that I have 3 set of data. X is nothing but this, y is nothing but sine of x value, z is nothing but cos of x value. Now to represent this data, I'm using 3 hist function, okay? And here x label, y label and title. And I'm taking bins as auto and easy edge color as k. That is nothing but black color. So let's execute this. And here we can see the output. We can represent the multiple set of data using hist function like this. Now if you reduce alpha value, if the bars are overlapping, then you can reduce the alpha value. Or you can represent this using the single hist function also. Here instead of this you need to mention array of x, y and z like this. Okay, so now I'll remove the alpha. If I execute this, here you can see the value. It is placing the bars one after the another. And if you want to place this stacked, if you want stacked graph here, you can take stacked as true. Here you can see the stacked bar graph representation. So you can represent the multiple set of data in 2 ways using a single hist function. You can take stacked as true, or you can keep it as stacked false. So it will place the bars one after the another. Or you can take 3 hist function and you can represent the data. Okay, so this is how we can draw the multiple set of data and how we can create the stacked histograms. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.